Hi, I'm Pearl, and in this video, I'll show you how to surface and use UC metric views in both AI BI dashboards and AI BI Genie, enabling self-serve analytics and AI-powered insights. Start by opening your dashboard and navigating to the Data tab. Click Add Data and select your desired metric view. Once added, all defined dimensions and measures are available for building widgets and visualizations. Calculated measures can be created within the dashboard for custom analysis, but for organization-wide use, update the metric view definition centrally. Metric views support alerts. For example, set an alert if total revenue in the most recent month exceeds a threshold. This ensures that teams are notified of critical changes using consistent, governed metrics. Open a Genie space and add your metric view as a data asset. Genie understands the metric view schema and definitions. Genie generates the correct SQL using the measure function and available dimensions, returning an accurate, ready-to-visualize result. Only one metric view can be associated with a Genie space, ensuring clarity and focus. Genie and dashboards both rely on the same metric view logic. This guarantees that all users, regardless of interface, see the same numbers. Permissions are managed centrally in Unity Catalog. Users only need select on the metric view, not the underlying tables. Row-level security and column masking can be enforced within the metric view definition as well. Surfacing metric views in AI BI tools like dashboards and Genie democratizes access to trusted business metrics. Central modeling ensures consistency, governance provides control, and broad access empowers every user. Start using metric views in your dashboards and Genie spaces to unlock consistent AI-powered analytics across your organization.